I'm Korey from Elders Real Estate Palmerston and welcome to 106 Dwyer. Come on in.
Walking through the front door, the kitchen offers ample cupboard space, electric cooking, exhaust and a double sink. Open plan living area with fans, split system aircon, sliding door to the back patio. This property has been freshly painted throughout. Walking through to the main bedroom offers wall shelving, fan and a split system aircon. The main bathroom leads off from the main bedroom. The main bathroom is a laundry bath combo with ample cupboard space. The bathroom has a toilet, bath shower combo and a mirror. Second bedroom has a split system, fan, NBN box and wall shelving. Walking through the back sliding door to the back patio area is an easy to maintain garden with side access and a garden shed. The back of the garden has side access through the carport.